Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can install MySQL Server 8.0 and how we can start it. So first, go to this URL, click on the link in the description and you'll be taken here, and click on the second one, that is 285.3 MB. This is bigger than this one. Now click on download and just click on no thanks, just start my download and your downloads will start. Let's wait till the download is complete. So now our MySQL Server installer is downloaded. Just click on open file and your installation wizard will open. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, we have the installer. Now there are a bunch of options that says server only, client only, full, and so on. So server only just installs the MySQL server, and client installs a client that can help you connect to the server, and full installs everything. So what we'll do is we'll just select custom so that we can know what we are installing. Click on next, and here we will definitely need the MySQL server. So just click on this and click on this top button here so that it is selected to be installed. Okay, in this one here, send, and this will now be installed. In applications, because we will be using Workbench to connect to MySQL server, I will also select Workbench, and we will also select MySQL shell so that we can also use command line to interact with MySQL. And we can use router also, we don't need to use it right now, so I'll just leave it as it is, and I'll just remove, or I'll just not select the documentations also. So click next, and these three things will be installed. Click execute, and finally the installation has started, as you can see from the progress bar here. So finally all of our required components are installed. Now just click on next and click on next, and we are now configuring our server. So this is the default port for MySQL. No need to do anything here, just leave it as it is, and just click on next. Click on next again, and let's create a root password, and click on next. Here also you can just click next, click on next again, and finally click on execute. So finally our server is installed. Click on finish, and let's click next, and now it will give you an option to open Workbench and shell. So let's leave it checked and click on finish, and now Microsoft shell is opening up and Microsoft Workbench is also opening up. So let's see what we have here, and we have Workbench here. So I already had previous version of Workbench installed, so that's why I'm seeing these two. Now let's connect to our MySQL server, and this will pop up already once this is open. So what you can do is enter your root password that you had just entered, and I'll save the password so that I don't have to enter it again. Click this to do that, click OK, and yeah, we are finally connected to our database using MySQL Workbench. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.